In this video, I'm going to show you my technical analysis, forecast, outlook, and predictions on AAP. This is advanced auto parts. Basically, to actually give you the technical analysis, everything in depth. Okay, I'm going to use a strategy that has been actually tested hundreds of times in the past, has been refined over the years. I'm going to use the exact rules that have shown to work for me in the past a very good way. I'm going to show you everything right here. I'm not going to hide nothing. Everything regarding technical analysis. What's my game plan for AAP? Let's get right into the sauce. Now, I think that that's the most recent prediction I had on AAP, the bearish one. And here again, here's a link proof. Still keep it on the chart because that was predicted yesterday. I was expecting the price to deliver lower. As such, now I have a little line explaining if what would the game plan be if it broke the structure up there. I'll have rules for everything, but let's delete everything and actually start from a high time frame story. Okay, let's build a story. AAP. Let's follow the 12 week, okay, the 12-week chart, the 12-month chart. This week candle that we're having right here, it's about to close in December, right? When December arrives, that's going to be the monthly, the yearly candle. Now, we're not going to go know about that. Basically, we're only just like 6 months in the next 6 months. And that will be very interesting to kind of wait and see what the price is going to do. Basically, we're not going to have a full range because the price, this does not count as a break. This is what I'm trying to say because the price could easily come higher and the price is not going to close below that point. This is still going to be a bullish range. So we're going to see, even if it does close below there, okay, then it's only going to put it into a bearish kind of trend. But for right now, yeah, this is just some serious, serious moves that we have having, like that we have had in the last 2 days, around 40% down. Like this is crazy. And my like what I'm expecting the price to do right now is honestly for me to actually look for any upside moves on this thing. It will have to be a confirmation and any type of break before we do anything. This is just kind of the strategy and how I basically work. But for right now, because we have a lot of liquidity, my prediction is for it to continue and deliver below the lows. As simple as that. There is a ton of liquidity that needs to be swift before we deliver and do anything. So that's going to be the most kind of my uh, way of thinking about things. Just expecting it to continue and deliver a little bit lower. Hopefully making a range, and then we can confirm it to actually take it any higher. So if you found any value, like the video, it's going to help me a ton. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, go ahead and check out the first link in the description. Have free course materials to actually check out and actually use. And do not forget to join the newsletter because you'll get the most valuable tips and insights worth $1,000 every Sunday for free in your DM.